G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we're talking about something that I find really exciting. Okay, now recently, 3 pretty much the same things came out, and I must say they are all pretty good. First one, the Civivi Elementum utility knife. Then we also have the Olight, what's that thing? The Olight, I can't remember, something tool. And it's a little utility knife. And then they are all different, quite the same, but quite different. And then my new favorite, the pickled steel cutter. Okay, this one is a beautiful G10 and it has this sprinkled look to it. Okay, I think the Olight's more square, the design of the thing. And the Civivi one has got a button lock. This has got a crossbar lock. But look at this thing. It does have a lanyard hole there at the back, but the pocket clip is kind of in the way. So I just attached a lanyard to the post because this is a 3-finger knife in most circumstances. Okay, I'm going to show you the rest now. We do have Torx bits and they are T6s. Okay, T6s everywhere, crossbar lock, thumb stud, and then this little thing. Okay, before we get into the knife, I want to show you the box. Inside the box, very nice box. It's not branded yet. I don't know if it will be branded with the Pickled Steel logo, but we will see. Oh, and please stay to the end of this video because I have very exciting news about Pickled Steel. Okay, so we have our cutout, and then under the cutout, if I can get it out, we have this tool. Okay, so this tool is to do everything on this knife that you need to do. And the thing that I used it for was to tighten that little majiggy a bit more. Okay, so we have our little tool and then we get this. Beautiful SK5 blades. And then if you push them open, you see they kind of lift and you can take them out. There is, I think, 5 blades in here. Okay. So very cool that you get extra blades for the thing. Now SK5 is a carbon steel, not a very, what do you call it? It's like 1095 pretty much. Okay, and the cold steel, one of my favorites, Ranch Boss. Yeah, I think it's the cold steel Ranch Boss. That one has got a SK5 blade. Okay, so good blade steel, especially if you have a throwaway blade. Okay, action on this thing is fantastic. Okay, so we have the button lock, and then, okay, you can do it with 2 fingers. I tend to do this guy with 1 finger. Sorry, under the camera, it's always a bit more difficult, but it works so nicely. Reverse flick, like a champion. So it's a very fidgety little box cutter. Now, I like the design. Okay, all 3 of those I named have this look going, where we have the whole blade and not just that normal tip like on a normal Stanley knife. Okay, you open that thing, put in your new blade, tighten that thing, beautiful. And somebody on a live that Pickled Steel did the other day, one of the new American guys that's now part of the Pickled Steel loving community, said this is actually, I think it was Gareth, yes, I said that you can take this thing with you, and when you are going to board a flight, you can just take out the blade and throw it away. Okay, so that's actually an awesome thing for that. Okay, on the back we do have a pocket clip. It's a deep carry pocket clip, recessed screws, recessed pocket clip, and it is reversible. No, it's not reversible. Well, maybe you can reverse it, but then it's going to sit on top. Over here, there's a little cutout for it. Okay, so see if you can reverse that thing, but it does not seem to be made to be reversible. Anyway, listen to the sound of this guy. Let me just see if I can get a bit higher. Okay, now, if you hold it under that little bump, it's a 3-finger knife, and then you need a lanyard to just grab your pinky. If you hold it on top of that bump, you can get 4 fingers on here, because we do have this little safe spot over here. You see the little thing there? Nice little safe spot if you want to choke up. Very cool little knife. And I can see myself using it to cut carpet and whatnot. Now, if you live here in South Africa, or if you live in America and you love us, somebody send us some of those awesome serrated blades, because those things will look so cool in here. I really like this knife. Okay, it also comes in aluminum, green and black, I think. And then we do have a black G10 also. But so far, I've been carrying this thing in my pocket and I cannot get enough of it. This thing is wonderful. And for 600 Rand, this is a bargain. Okay, so I really, really enjoy this little EDC utility knife. And it's beautiful. Okay, we spoke about everything I want to speak about. Yes, now let's just do this. Now, okay, www.pickledsteel.co.za. Sorry, let me get my cool sticker. Just need to wipe it. There, www.pickledsteel.co.za. Pickled steel because you can't cut anything with a cucumber. Okay, if you go onto their site, as of today, there you can see, 7 January, Tuesday. If you go onto their site and you go to Pickled Steel, let's click there on folding knives. Okay, sorry. The internet in my garage is not as good as it is elsewhere. Give it a second. Okay, let's say this thing. Okay, pre-order. Now, I want to buy the Rough Rider Purple Sword. I was messing around with this thing previously, and you live in... Where do you live? You live in Zimbabwe. You live in South Africa. Let's see if we can find the United States. Tick. And you press on dollars. Then it shows you $21 for this guy. Okay, and then you can place your order. Now, Aldo has been able to secure people that will be able to do the shipping from that side. Which means once you get to the shipping part, they calculate the shipping from your country. Okay, so American guys, at least now you can also be part of the whole Pickled Steel loving family, and you can pay for the normal things, normal prices, but your shipping will not be calculated from South Africa. It will be distributed from America. Welcome to the team. And you South African guys, go get these things. They are super. Okay, all of you, stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.